Perfect. So now if I come in here, I can come back to MuleSoft. We're going to say develop an integration. And here you'll notice that we've added in a new sort of bubble option that users can select. This is creating a integration from a template or an example project. So I could just say something like example template. If I choose this, you'll notice that I can search for any of my assets. I also have the ability to filter on them. So I can say something like order. I have this B2B order to cash mapping examples. I have implementation templates. I can filter by, let's say, just B2B, or I can filter by difficult. I don't know why. I didn't know that was a filter. That's great. Types. So if I want to filter by examples or templates, or maybe a particular industry or an organization, I can filter for all of those. And if I wanted to use one of them, let's just say we want to take this FINS payments order process template. I can add that asset. It adds it here, and then I can say create project. And you'll see that we're downloading that asset from Exchange. It's going to open up everything here. I don't know how massive this project is, so we'll find out here in a second. But let's open up our XML. But you'll notice that we've pulled in all of this information automatically from that template that we've downloaded from Exchange. And so hopefully that gets you up and running a lot faster if you have templates that you use fairly frequently, or examples, things like that that you've published. Always, feel free to try that out on your side. We'll wait for this to load and just see how complex everything is. Bingo. Okay, cool. Looks like everything loaded. Looks like this is just a health check status, but you can see all of these components are rendered. If I wanted to edit any of them, I can click on it. You can see that we'll get that configuration and that will load it, similar to what we just talked about when we were building our flow. I think everything's still sort of loading here, which is why we're seeing this fetching configuration screen. But not to worry, here in a second or two, that should go ahead and load. Yep, perfect. We have that here. The other thing I'll call out is choice. If there's nothing to configure as part of a particular component, this is a great opportunity to talk about this. If I click on a choice, you'll notice that, hey, there's nothing to configure as part of my choice operation. I'm actually going to be doing the choice configuration as part of the branches. So if you use choice quite a bit, you'll do that actual definition of the expression under the when branch. So right here. So if you click directly on the choice, you won't see that expression. You'll have to click on that branch to define your expression. So just something to note in case you run into that as part of your projects. But we can cycle through these and open them up. This is a fairly large template that we picked, but that's how you do it. I just want to show the ability that you're now able to create your projects from any templates or examples that you have or that you want to try out. You can do that from right within ACB now.